Thank you very much, my listener, my follower, my supporter, my child, wherever you are from all over the world. I want to invite you for a live broadcast 1 hour from now. Could it be 1.5 hours from now? We are in Dubai, a place called Deira. That is where we are broadcasting from. That's where we're preaching the word of God. That's where we're sharing and delivering people. So tune in, send it to a very many people as you can, people from all over around here, so that they can also be listening to the message. It is a powerful message, a message that I will win this battle. That is my message today. I will win this battle. And God is with me. Welcome all, wherever you are. Share this message to as many people as you can. Tune in to Bethel Clouds TV, that's our YouTube page, and in our Facebook page is Bethel Clouds Television. You are much welcome. Visit us there. Be calling, be communicating, be sharing. Tell us your testimony from wherever you are. We love you and we desire to meet you very soon. People from Germany, people from UK, people from America, Australia, Africa, Kenya, Nairobi, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Japan, wherever you are, we love you. And share this message to everybody that is in your contacts, so that this message can also reach as many people as possible. Love you. 1 hour from now, I'm coming live.